Hi guys! How to get voice chat in Roblox. Now, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the Roblox home screen. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where all the good stuff lives. In the Account Info tab, find the Phone Numbers section. Click Add Phone, enter your number, and follow the prompts to verify it. Here's a pro tip. Use a number you actually have access to right now. Once your phone is verified, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Keep watching because the next step is where most people get lost. Inside Privacy Settings, click on the Communication tab. This is the secret door to voice chat, so don't skip it. Locate the Voice Data Usage option and toggle the switch On. That's it. You can now unmute your microphone in-game and start talking to others. Huge upgrade, right? Hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video.